Hello everyone, I'm Yuri Azlina, majoring health analyst in Nahdlatul Ulama University, Surabaya. Today, I and my friends will show you information on how to check urine using a dipstick. First of all, I will introduce my friends. There are 4 of them. It is said by my friends. There are first, and 2, third, and the last, we are from group 8. We'll share information on how to check urine using a dipstick.
Dipstick test. Urine test or urinalysis is an examination method that uses urine as a detection of disturbance in the body. A urine sample test is usually done to diagnose diseases related to the urinary tract, for example, urinary tract infection, kidney disease, to diabetes are checked through this test. You may also have this test while hospitalized, before surgery, or while pregnant. The following are some of the functions of the urine test procedure. Is 1. Part of routine health checks. 2. Diagnose health problems if you experience certain symptoms. 3. Monitor health condition if you have been diagnosed with a disease. 4. Assess renal function before surgery. 5. Monitor the development of abnormal pregnancies such as gestational diabetes. Usually, the doctor will provide a container for the urine sample, and you will be asked to take a sample in the morning and have a midstream urine collect. You can start taking urine sample with the following step. 1. Urinate a little in the toilet. 2. Place the container near the urine stream. 3. Collect about 30 until 59 ml of urine into the container on the second stream. 4. Complete urination. Then give a urine sample as directed by the doctor. A urine sample will usually be effective in testing if it is brought to the hospital within 60 minutes of collection. If this is not possible, the sample should be refrigerated or add preservative as recommended by the doctor. Dipstick test. A dipstick test is a urine test that uses a thin plastic stick and is inserted into a sample of your urine. Plastic stick will usually change color if there are certain substances with excessive level contained in the urine. This method is usually used to detect several things, such as acidity or pH. A urine pH level test is a test used to measure the acidity and alkalinity of your urine. This test is a simple and painless procedure. Urine concentration or viscosity. This test usually only shows how concentrated your urine is. The thicker the urine, the less fluid the body gets from drinking. Meanwhile, when you drink large amount of water in a short period of time or get intravenous fluids, your urine may look like plain water. In addition to these 2 components, there are several other compounds that are also considered during the dipstick test. Protein urine that contains protein is a sign of kidney problem. Sugar that indicates you have diabetes, but further tests are needed. Bilirubin, which is supposed to be carried by the blood to be transported to the liver. Blood, which is generally a symptom of kidney and bladder pain.
Pre-analytic stats. Tools and materials that need to be prepared including urine test strips,
urine samples, user scribe strips, and spoon, and laboratory card.
Procedure test. Step 1. Prepare urine samples to check and open the urine pot. Step 2. Take one urine test sheet and make sure it closes back to urine test container and input urine test on samples up to boundary line. Drain and timer for 2 minutes. Last step, match the urine test with the standard urine test on the bottle.
So the results of the examination obtained on the urine strip among others: 1. Erythrocytes negative, 2. Nitrate negative, 3. Urobilinogen negative, 4. Protein negative, 5. pH 6.0, 6. Fluid negative, 7. Specific gravity 130, 8. Ketones negative, 9. Bilirubin negative, 10. Glucose negative.
That's it for our group. We thank you everyone.